We're at 6825 North Kildare, Lincolnwood. We sent the camera all the way down to the street from the clean out at the bottom of the basement stairs. We got to about within a foot or a couple of feet from the city sewer, and this is what we found. The sides of the pipe are broken. We can clearly see outside the pipe, 6-inch clay. When we got very close to the city main, we saw that the pipe is broken on both sides, which is really unusual, and we see the dirt outside the pipe. Things are getting hung on the pipe ahead of us. We can't make the camera to go through this, and we should be very close to the city sewer if it's in the middle of the street. We'll pull the camera back towards the house. 6-inch clay pipe. The breakage was about, I want to say, 2.5, 3 feet. It's a broken pipe. We go through one hub, and then the second hub or joint is here. So we're about 2.5 feet downstream of the PVC repair that was done by the village. That repair begins right at about 83 feet. And it ends right here. So you're right, it's about 15 feet. It's about 60,
and you say that,
67 feet.
That joint is not so good there, right?
Right here, the transition from PVC to clay, we can see that part of the clay is missing. The cut wasn't done right, and we can see the no shear coupling, the rubber on the outside, on the right hand of the screen.
Should that be redone too?
And right now we are exiting from a Y connection in front of the house. The other one keeps going to the south, and then it wraps to the south side of the house and enters from a different stack. We transition to cast iron right at this point. Now we're inside 4-inch cast iron. And this is the clean out at the base of the basement stairs.